Hello guys, welcome back to Loggery. I hope all of you are doing great. Maharashtra CET 5 years LLB entrance application forms are out. So you can fill the form if you want a video on filling the forms. So you can say video filling the forms in the comments. I'll come up with a video. Okay. So when you enter here, you'll see that they are register now option is coming. So the schedule is something like this. It started on 3rd January till 3rd February. You can fill the form. um, then the exam is on 28th April. 28th April is the date of exam. Okay, and the result to be declared later on. So result, they're going to give the date for the result later on. It comes later on. The result is always delayed. And here the date of exam has also got changed. So yes, as usual, MHCT is so usual at changing the date. So date has got changed, right? Eligibility, you need 45%, right? Marks in aggregate for open SEBC EWS over OOMS. All India candidates need 45%, right? 40% marks in aggregate if you are from these categories, with minimum 42% marks aggregate. So 45% है 12th में overall. Even if you are appearing in 12 boards in 2025, then also you can give this exam. You can fill the form. This form is very important because you can get admission in GLC Mumbai and ILS Pune through an Army Institute of Law that is there in Pune. Also, you enter through this. The fees is rupees 1000 for these candidates, rupees 800 for some, and rupees 800. Okay, now the certificates, caste certificates are to be submitted at the time of CAP. CAP is counseling. So counseling happens when your exam happens, result comes, then counseling happens. So please ensure you have your certificates ready with you. Signatures are to be uploaded, right? Photographs, please ensure whichever photograph you're uploading, you have at least 50 to 60 copies of the same photograph, because in all other exams you'll need them. Your signatures should be easy. They should not be something that you're not able to do again, create again in your exam. Okay, age criteria, there's no age criteria. Anyone can give this exam. So if you want me that I should come up with form filling video, tell me. Mock test जो हैं वो launch हो चुके हैं. Mock tests are live for MHCT 5 years, and we are also giving you June 2024 से लेकर के your April 2025 तक के current affairs you're going to get. For March you're going to in entirety you're going to get. For April I'm going to give you the important ones, even if the entire tests are not going out, so that you can cover the important ones for the exam. So these you're getting completely free of cost. So 11 months, 11 to 12 months of MCQs, current affairs MCQs, that you get for rupees 250 each. You're getting free of cost with the mock test. The link of the bundle is in the description box. This is a limited time offer. Ensure you avail it before it's over. This is a very good offer, right? And yes, if you have any doubts with regard to anything, you can ask in the comments. You can also message me on Instagram. I'm there by the name I am Loggery. And also guys, the schedule video, if you want a schedule video, a fresh schedule video, then you can write down schedule. Whatever help you need, you can comment in the comment section and I will come with a video. Thank you for watching the video. Mock test का link description box में है. Go ahead and check that out.